Comparison of metallic conductance and electrolytic conductance. Please refer the syllabus. Metallic conduction. First I am going to read and explain the metallic conduction characteristic. This is three characteristics are there for metallic conduction. And electrolytic conduction, three characteristics. This question can be asked in two different ways. Write the characteristics of metallic conduction or distinguish between the metallic conduction and electrolytic conduction. Let us see metallic conduction. 1. Metallic conduction is due to the movement of electrons. 2. It involves no chemical change and the chemical nature of the conductor remains unaltered. 3. It does not involve any transfer of matter. Fourth one, it decreases with increase in temperature. 4 points. Electrolytic conduction. Electrolytic conduction is due to the movement of ions. It involves the decomposition of the electrolyte due to the chemical reaction. It involves the transfer of matter in the form of ions. It increases with a rise in temperature. Therefore, these are the points. Either it can be asked as characteristics or it can be asked as distinguish between. Relationship between conductance and resistance. Specific resistance and specific conductance. In order to understand the relationship, we must know certain terms used in the derivation of these relationships. First one, Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, the potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. If V is the potential difference in volts across the conductor and I is the strength of the current in amperes flowing through it, then according to Ohm's law, V is directly proportional to I, or V by I is a constant. The constant of proportionality in the above equation is termed as the resistance of the conductor and is represented as R. Therefore, we have the equation V by I is equal to R, equation number 1. This equation represents the mathematical form of Ohm's law. From the examination point of view, this can be asked for the ISC examination. State Ohm's law and derive the mathematical expression of Ohm's law. Therefore, you derive the equation and learn. The resistance of a conductor is measured in the unit ohm, which is represented by the symbol, this ohm or omega. Ohm's law can also be stated as follows. The strength of the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the conductor and inversely proportional to the resistance of the conductor. Next term, specific resistance or resistivity, rho. It is represented by the letter rho. The resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to its length, L, and inversely proportional to its area of cross-section, capital A. That is, R, if it represents the resistance, R is directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to A. Therefore, R can be represented as directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to A. This is replaced by a constant called rho. And now the equation can be written as resistance is equal to rho into L by A, where L represents the length and A represents the area of cross section. Where rho is a constant of proportionality and is called specific resistance of the conductor, it may be defined as follows. If L is equal to 1 centimeter, A is equal to 1 centimeter square, the equation 2 can be written as R is equal to rho. Specific resistance may be defined as the resistance of a conductor having a length of 1 centimeter and the area of cross section is equal to 1 square centimeter. Specific resistance is also termed as resistivity of the conductor. The units of specific resistance are ohm centimeter or omega centimeter. This is the unit.